Hi guys, welcome to SSBeauty. I'm Devasish and today we're going to explore something that's incredibly important, especially in my line of work, grooming. As an actor, I can tell you there's no escaping the pressure to always look presentable. Whether it's for casting calls, events or just grabbing a coffee, the camera is always on us. So I've learned a thing or two about looking sharp and I'm going to share that with you over here. So whether you're gearing up for an audition, a big event or just want to feel your best every day, stick with me. In this video, I'll guide you through men's grooming 101. Sharing everything I've learned to help you look and feel your best. Let's get started and make grooming a consistent part of your lifestyle. Stay tuned. First thing after waking up is doing your skincare routine. From skincare to hair to fashion, every detail counts. Over time, I've picked up tips and tricks that have helped me make sure I look good both on and off the screen. But the real secret? Consistency. Consistency is key and eventually it leads to perfecting the art of grooming oneself. The Derma 20% Vitamin C Serum is a product designed to brighten and even skin tone. It contains a high concentration of vitamin C along with ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid to target hyperpigmentation, blemishes and uneven texture. Clinique Moisture Surge is a popular line of moisturizers known for its intense hydration. It comes in various formulas including a gel cream and a richer option. The star ingredient is usually aloe vera along with hyaluronic acid for deep moisture penetration. Dot & Key Vitamin C Sunscreen is a face sunscreen that boasts SPF 50 plus protection against UVA, UVB and even blue light rays. It's formulated with vitamin C to brighten skin and reduce dullness, while also claiming to leave no white cast. This lightweight sunscreen is suitable for all skin types and aims to leave a great finish. Well, next up is facial hair care. For those with facial hair, keeping it clean and fresh is the key. Use beard shampoo to cleanse and a beard serum to soften and nourish. Regularly shape your beard for a tidy groomed look. The Beard Story Deep Cleansing Beard Wash is designed to tackle beard grime head-on. It promises a deep clean that removes dirt, pollutants and product buildup, leaving your beard feeling fresh and healthy. Fortified with biotin and keratin, this wash also aims to strengthen your beard. Next up is hair care. The only trick to keep them healthy and happy is using a good shampoo and a conditioner. Well, if you want to style your hair, you got to use a good hair wax that will give you a sleek look all day. I would suggest personally you wash your hair twice in a week. 1821 Man-Made Wash isn't a historical cleaning product, but a modern men's grooming line. It offers a 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo and conditioner. This all-in-one product is designed to cleanse hair, body and beard, leaving you feeling clean and refreshed. It boasts a rich lather and claims to be gentle enough for all hair types. BBlunt Anti-Dandruff Scalp Tonic is a hair product that claims to eliminate dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp within 72 hours. It contains tea tree oil which is said to have antifungal properties and reduce flaking. The 1821 Man-Made Hairstyling Wax in Sweet Tobacco is a men's hairstyling product that offers both stronghold and a touch of masculine fragrance. Made with a blend of waxes and clay, it provides a versatile texture for creating messy or sleek styles on short to medium hair. This one's my personal favorite, fitness and body care. Maintaining a healthy body is a part of grooming too. Hit the gym regularly and once you're done with your workout, use a good shower gel and a loofah to cleanse your body. Moisturize your body with a good body lotion to keep your skin smooth and healthy. Adidas Ice Dive is a deodorant body spray marketed as a unisex fragrance. It promises a fresh scent, likely aiming for a clean and happy feel. This deodorant also has aquatic and cool citrusy notes. I personally prefer to use it at the gym. Adidas Skin Detox Shower Gel promises to leave you feeling refreshed and renewed. This gel-based body wash contains apricot kernels which act as an exfoliant to buff away dead skin cells. The idea is to remove impurities and leave your skin feeling smooth. This SPF 30 body lotion is a fragrance-free, 2-in-1 product that provides sun protection and hydration. Choose fresh scents during the day for a clean feel. Opt for a woody fragrance in the evening or on special occasions for a touch of sophistication. Always apply moisturizer before your fragrance to help it last longer on pulse points. Archelia Silence Layer is a great woody fragrance. It has a citrusy opening with grapefruit, bitter orange and rhubarb. The middle notes are described as crisp and fresh, with lily of the valley, clove and pink pepper. The fragrance dies down to a base of cedarwood, patchouli and musk, creating a masculine scent. Adidas Pure Game is a men's cologne marketed as both fresh and woody. It opens with citrusy and spicy notes of grapefruit, pepper and basil, giving way to a heart of lavender, cypress and guacwood. Next up is nail and hand care. Don't forget your nails and hands. Keep nails trimmed and neat. Use a good hand cream to keep your hands soft and moisturized. The Body Shop's Almond Milk and Honey Hand Cream is designed for those with sensitive dry skin. It contains almond milk and community grade honey, aiming to soothe and protect your hands. Next up is clothing and accessories. Now let's talk fashion. You know what guys, trends come and go, but classics are always in style. Instead of following trends blindly, stick to a timeless piece. If you're going out for a brunch, I would personally choose a nice classic white shirt with some accessories and I think you're good to go. A classic white shirt will never let you down. Are you going out with your crush tonight for a date? I think a classic black or a grey shirt will be the best option for you. And don't forget the power of accessories. A good watch can elevate any outfit, adding that touch of sophistication and style. Remember, it's not about having a closet full of clothes, but about having the right pieces that make you look and feel your best. Lastly, the best grooming hack of all is confidence. If you're consistent with good grooming habits like taking care of your skin, getting a good haircut, and staying fit with your regular workouts, this long-term commitment becomes the shortcut to looking good and feeling confident. Think of it as a cheat code for life, but without the actual cheating. There you have it, guys. Men's Grooming 101 to keep you looking and feeling your best. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe for more grooming tips. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys next time.